Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to Fortron Academy. My name is Harshwas, and this is the Beginner's Guide Part 6, in which we will explore the slide section in our Google Slides. Now, with this point, we will move forward and talk about the point to be discussed in this video. In this video, I will tell you how to insert new slide, how to make duplicate slide, how to delete slide, how to skip slide, how to move slide, change background, layout, apply transition, how to use edit master and how to change theme. All those points will be discussed in this video in our slide section. Now to discuss all these things, let's move in our Google Slides and see how everything works. Now we are in Google Slides. So in earlier video I have talked in detail about the format section. Now we will talk about the slide section. When I click on slide, you will see there are multiple options that are available in the slide section as we have discussed in the objective of our video. Now let's start with new slide. I want a new slide, just click on new slide, or you can use a keyboard shortcut that is Control and M. After that we want a duplicate slide. What does the duplication mean? That means I want this slide to be exactly same, and the new slide will be generated which has the same things that this slide have. Again I will go to the slide section, duplicate slide. Now you will see these two slides are exactly duplicate of each other. Now if you want to make changes in this, you can easily remove this. Now you will see changes you have to do is very less. After that we have a skip slide option. When I click on it, so before that skip slide we have a delete slide option also. So you see there are two slides that we have inserted. I want to delete one of them. Just click on delete slide and the slide will be deleted, and all these options are also available when you just right click on your slides. You can see all these options: new slide, delete slide, skip slide. So now we will go into the skip slide option. Now this slide will be skipped when you are in presentation. So skipped when presenting. Now let's see that. So before that, let me just, now I want to skip this slide. You can do that from here or you can do that from here. Now, if we go into presentation format, now let's go into the presentation. Now you see, now we just get to the third slide. So this is third slide. So that's why there is no slide 2. Now if you go there, 2 slide is not visible because we have skipped the slide in a presentation view. After that we go exit from the presentation view and go into the other point that we discuss about is move slide. You can move the slide up, down, slide to the beginning, slide to the end. In spite of that, if you want to move slide from here, you can just drag and drop it anywhere you want to do that. You can changes, make changes in your slide movement, or you can make the numbering as per your desire. Like if you want to delete, you can do that from here as well. Just right click on it. After that, click on delete. Now after this we have the change background option. When you click on it, you will see the background is actually white. If you want a yellow background, you can see the background has been changed. You can also choose the image. You can upload camera, photos, Google Drive, Google image search. You can also do that. Or you can reset the theme, which was earlier the white is equal to white now. After that, done. You can make changes in that also. After that you can also apply the layout. You want a title slide, section header, title and body. These are all things that are available to you because the layout give a detailed description that what kind of slide you want. If you need a section slide, go for this. If you need one column text, go for this. Now you see, now the layout has been changed. If you done it by mistake, click on Ctrl Z, it will undo the process. After this, we have the transition option. So currently what we are using the transition is the slide transition, slide from left. You can also make changes in the motion from the format, from the insert section and from the view section. You can see the motion is also present in this, into the format section also. You can make changes in that also by clicking in here. You can see slide from right. Apply to all slide. Play. Now you can see this comes something like this. Now if you want to change the frequency, you can make it fast as well, and by your own thing, by your own desire, you can do all that thing. After that, click on stop and close this. In the slide section, the thing we left with is edit master. When you click on it, you can see edit master just open up. It is a editing. You can make changes in according to your own desire. So this is an edit master. So you can make changes in the edit master as well. If you do not want that, you cannot close it from here, you have to close it from here. So if you remove that, then again you get back to things that you have. After that, we have a change theme option. You can also change the theme of your slides. When I click on it, you will see there are multiple themes that are available to you in the Google Slides. You can change the theme. When you click on it, it will change the theme of your all the slides. It's just not one. You can see how the changes has been done because the section slides become a section slides and the font and the changes all was conducted according to the theme of your desired slide. Now, if I change to this, you can see the changes will happen in all the slide. Now, something looking like this will be seen in your Google Slides. So, with this point, I have covered everything in a slide section. So, you can see, but you can also see there are multiple options for the same thing available in a multiple sections. You can see the slides option have a motion which called a transition, while in the view this is called as a motion. So they do the same thing, but the name is different and present in the different section. So with this, I hope I have covered in everything in the slide section. So with this point, I am going to end this video and I hope your queries have been cleared. And if not, kindly write us in the comment section. We will surely get back to you. And if this video has been anyway, kindly drop us a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel for amazing videos in future. Till then, have a good and amazing day.